In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Microsoft Forms with others in just 5 minutes. This process is incredibly straightforward and allows for seamless sharing, whether you're looking to collect responses or collaborate with others on form creation. So, let's dive in and make sure you have all the tools you need. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you've navigated to the site, the next step is to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will take you to your home page where you can access all of your forms. Now that you're signed in, go ahead and open the specific form you want to share. If you're looking to share the form to collect responses from others, you'll need to locate the Collect Responses button, which is usually found in the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to sending out your form to collect valuable input. Once you've clicked Collect Responses, you'll need to decide who can respond to your form. Microsoft Forms gives you handy options like only people in my organization can respond or anyone can respond. Choose the option that best suits your needs depending on the audience you're targeting. Next, you have a few methods for sending your form. You can copy the link provided and paste it into an email, chat, or even directly onto a website. This is a quick way to get your form out there without jumping through extra steps. Alternatively, if you prefer to send it directly, you can email it straight from the Microsoft Forms platform. This can be particularly useful for sending responses to a very specific group of contacts quickly. Moreover, generating a QR code might be useful, especially if you're presenting in person or want to print the form code for distribution at events. People can easily scan this code with their smartphones to access your form. For those of you wanting to embed the form on a web page, Microsoft Forms provides an embed code that you can integrate directly into your site's HTML. This is a sleek way to collect responses right from a page on your website. Now, if you're looking to collaborate with others on editing or building the form, that's another easy task. You'll want to click on the More Form Settings. Those are the 3 dots on the top of the page. From here, choose Collaborate or Duplicate to proceed. You'll then get the option to Get a link to view and edit. After selecting this, you can specify the people or groups you'd like to give editing access to. Simply copy the generated link and share it with your chosen collaborators, and they'll be able to work on the form alongside you. That's it. You're all set to share and collaborate on your Microsoft Forms efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your forms shared just the way you want.